Hey little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a super easy house using basic shapes like triangles, circles, and rectangles. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So grab your marker and let's get started. First, draw a big triangle for the roof. Pointy at the top. Now, let's draw a rectangle right below it. This is the wall of our house. Time for a chimney. Draw a small rectangle on top of the roof. Let's draw a rectangular door in the middle of the house. Now, draw a circle window, round and bright. And on the other side, draw a triangle window. Now let's draw a tree next to the house. Start with a rectangle trunk, that's the stem. Now on top, draw big fluffy leaves just like a cloud. Let's finish with a happy sun in the sky. Draw a circle in the corner. Now, add tiny lines all around it for sun rays.
La da 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 dee.
Don't forget the smiley face on the sun. So cute! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's go over the lines again and make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Awesome! Isn't it?
Yay!
Time to color. Get your color pens ready. Green color.
Wow!
Brown color. Orange color. Red color. Pink color. Blue color. Cream color. Yellow color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! Look at your amazing drawing! You just made a beautiful house using simple shapes, isn't that cool? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun art every week! Hi little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub! Today, we're going to draw a super fun and colorful house using just shapes!
Yay!
Let's go grab our black marker and get started! Let's start with the roof of our house. First, draw a triangle on the left side. Now draw a rectangle right next to it. This completes the roof shape. Now from the roof, let's draw 3 straight vertical lines going down. Then draw a long horizontal line at the bottom to connect them. Now let's add a door in the front. Draw a tall rectangle in the middle part of the wall. Let's add a cute window next to the door. Draw a rectangle with a line in the middle. Then add a little wavy shade on top. What a cozy house! Now draw a long rectangle below the house. And here comes the cutest part. Draw a little heart shape on the triangle part of the roof. Ah, this house is full of love. Nice job, everyone. Now take your black marker again and trace over the lines to make the outline bold and sharp. This will make your artwork pop out beautifully. Awesome! Isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. And guess what? We're using rainbow colors today. Let's name them together while we color. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Well done, little artists. You just created a beautiful rainbow house using shapes. Be proud of yourself and don't forget to show your artwork to your family. Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we're going to draw something super fun and easy, a cute house with a little tree next to it. Grab your black marker, paper, and let's get started. First, let's draw the roof. Make a slanted triangle shape on top, like a red hat for the house. Now let's draw a big rectangle underneath for the house walls. Great! Now draw a long rectangle at the bottom. That's the base of the house. Let's add a door. Draw a tall shape in the middle, kind of like a jelly bean. Now draw a square for the window, right next to the door. Let's draw a cute little tree on one side of the house, a tall rounded triangle for the top and a small rectangle for the trunk. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp. Go over all the lines again to make the artwork pop. Awesome! Isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. We're going to use rainbow colors today. Get your color pens ready. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! You did an amazing job! Thanks for drawing with me on Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy drawing videos just like this. Bye-bye! See you next time! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.